playoff run, a group of Seattle Seahawks players sat down with a pastor and had this to say about Jesus and the Super Bowl. Created some controversy.
Pastor Mark here with the members of the greatest football team on the earth, the Seattle Seahawks, and very, very glad to let you guys share a little bit about your background, your story, your history, what Jesus has done in your life.
It's that simple. You know, Jesus is better than anything that we could ever hope. Even better than a Super Bowl, better than an NFL career.
Is an NFL coach supposed to say that? That anything is better than the Super Bowl?
Don't Jesus, yeah.
I want to get your reaction to that and looking at it through this prism. Plaxico Burress, Michael Vick, all the players, controversies. But at the end of most NFL games, a group of players, both sides, they all shake hands, coaches shake hands, quarterbacks shake hands, and then you often get a group of guys praying in the middle.
Oh, yeah. They thank God for no injuries. That's really,
is it just for no injuries, or thank God for being able to play and having this great opportunity?
I would think nobody says, let us win. I think it's really to say, hey, let us come out of this hole.
Yeah.
I mean, man, I don't know. These guys take a beating.